Hello everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are going to make masala soda. It is very popular in India. So let's see how to make this. For the ingredients we require about 3 tablespoons of sugar syrup. It's very easy to make a sugar syrup. If you want, we also have a tutorial on how to make sugar syrup on our channel Shada Cook. I'll also link it down below in the description box. Half lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of black salt or salt to taste, and club soda. So let's start making these masala soda. For that we are going to start by taking chaat masala. Next we are going to add jeera powder, black salt, black pepper. Now we are going to add sugar syrup, lemon juice, about half a lemon. Now give it a mix. Now we're going to add ice. And lastly, soda. And lastly, give it a mix. So there you go, your masala soda is ready. You can see it's very easy to make. It has a very nice taste. It's sweet and spicy and fizzy. It has that real masala taste, like a street style masala soda. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.